Welcome to Luvlines.
Babalik ko yung iba. Ito lang isa. Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bangus. Oh no, where's the butas? Hindi ko makita yung butas. Babalik ko itong iba. So, marinated bangus belly. Lutong-luto na to. Ang bango. Try ko yung cornstarch. Wala ng flour. Cornstarch. Almost luto na. 4 pieces lang para magkasya sa kawali. Naburo. Lakong protein, no? That will be enough. Ayan, kumukulo na yung tubig ko. Butterfly. My platter. Ubusin ang dapat ubusin. So I have my pechay na nilaga and the fish and then the chicharon and then the dried fish paras, the sausawan and the kamatis and the brown rice. Okay, tara, let's eat. Kain tayo ng maraming kanin, brown rice at sabaw. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Luvlines. Have a good day. God bless. And don't forget, God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation. Tara, let's eat. And by the way, shout out to all the Luvlines Galaxy of Super Love Stars, to the Moon families, No Family M's, and the Abs family. Thank you so much, my Super Love Stars and my Super Love friends of the Luvlines Galaxy. I'll see you soon. God bless. More. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Luvlines. Have a good day and God bless.